Hi guys, this is Sogand. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanna teach you the pattern of a glamorous Irish crochet lace flower applique for beginners. So let's see. Start with a magic ring. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You will have 3 loops and your hook. Yarn over, pull through all loops. Chain 3. Yarn over, insert your hook into this circle and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loop. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. Yarn over and pull up loop. Yarn over, pull through first 2 loops. You'll have 4 loops and your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 4 loops. Chain 3 and repeat this puff stitch 6 times. At the end of the row, chain 3, skip first chain, insert your hook into the second stitch, then make a slip stitch. Make a slip stitch in next space. Chain 3, then make 2 double crochets in same space. 1 and 2. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then make 3 double crochets in next space. This is my 1, 2, and 3. Keep repeating. At the end of the row, chain 5, 4, 5. Then make a slip stitch in third chain. Make a slip stitch in next stitch. Chain 1, then make 5 double crochets in same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chain 2, then make 5 double crochets in same space. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last time. Skip 1 stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a single crochet. Make 5 double crochets in next space. This is my 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 2 and make 5 double crochets. Again 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip first stitch, insert your hook into the next stitch, then make a single crochet. Keep going. At the end of the row, make a slip stitch in first chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off, then hide your tail end. I'm very grateful for your consideration. I hope you like this video. If the video was useful to you, please like and subscribe for more video tutorials. I upload new videos every week. Catch you later. Bye.